In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Binance app not working or not opening problem you might encounter in 2025. We all rely on our mobile apps for quick and efficient access, especially when it comes to something as essential as managing our crypto portfolios. If your Binance app has been giving you trouble lately, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a few simple steps to get it back up and running smoothly. Let's start with an easy but often overlooked solution: restarting your phone. Sometimes all it takes is a reboot to clear minor glitches that might be affecting your app. By turning your phone off and back on again, you can refresh the system and hopefully resolve the issue right away. If that doesn't do the trick, the next step is to update your Binance app. Developers are constantly working to fix bugs and improve app performance, so ensuring you have the latest version installed is crucial. Go to your device's app store and check for any available updates for Binance. Installing updates usually enhances the app's functionality and can often resolve compatibility issues with your device's operating system. Next, let's focus on clearing the app cache. Over time, cache files can accumulate and cause the app to behave unpredictably. To clear the cache, open the Binance app. Tap the three horizontal lines on the top left to access the menu, navigate to settings and select the clear cache option. This process won't affect your app data, but it can significantly improve performance. Now let's check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Sometimes app issues stem from weak or unstable internet. You can try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or vice versa, to see if the problem resolves itself. If the app is still not cooperating, consider uninstalling and reinstalling it. Removing the app and downloading it again from the App Store ensures a fresh copy without any corrupted or damaged files. This method does require you to log back into your account, so have your login details ready. Finally, if none of these steps work, it's time to reach out to Binance support. They can provide additional assistance and check if there are larger system-wide issues affecting the app. Contacting support can also give you more tailored solutions based on your specific problem. Remember, fixing app issues sometimes requires a bit of patience and trial and error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most of the common issues preventing the Binance app from opening or functioning correctly. Thanks for watching.